Hi students, how are you all? I hope you are keeping fine. Today, let me ask a question to you. Do you know the habitat of human beings? Yes, as it is written here, the earth is our habitat. As we are going to study the subject geography, we shall see the meaning of geography. Geography is made of two Greek words, ge meaning earth and graphia meaning writing. These words relate to the description of the earth. So students, shall we start the chapter? Let us learn chapter 1, the earth in the solar system. How wonderful it is to watch the sky after sunset. The whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others dim. It seems as if the sky is studded with diamonds. They all appear to be twinkling. But if you look at them carefully, you will notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do. They simply glow without any flicker, just as the moon shines. Students, let us learn these topics today. The different shapes of the moon, celestial bodies, constellations, pole star, planets. Students, let us learn about the different shapes of the moon. You can see in the picture here the full moon or Purnima. So, what is full moon? We can see the moon in most of the days. It may appear at different times in different shapes and at different positions. You can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is called full moon night or Purnima. Next is called new moon night or Amavasya. A fortnight later, you cannot see the moon at all. It is a new moon night or Amavasya. A fortnight means a period of 2 weeks. On this day, you can watch the night sky best, provided it is a clear night. Children, do you wonder why can't we see the moon and all those bright tiny objects during the daytime? It is because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. You know how far moon is away from us? The moon is about 3 lakhs 84,400 kilometers away from us. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. Let us learn about celestial bodies. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is a star. Countless twinkling stars in the night sky are similar to the sun, but we do not feel their heat or light, and they look so tiny. Do you know why it is? Because they are very, very far away from us. Students, there are some difference between astronomers and scientists. Humans have always been fascinated gazing at the night sky. Those who study the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. A scientist has an expert knowledge of one or more of the natural or physical science. Constellations. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations, as you can see in the picture here. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the small bear or Saptarishi. Sapta means seven, Rishi means sages. It is a group of seven stars that forms a part of the large Ursa Major constellation. Pole star. In ancient times, people used to determine the directions during the night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. You can see pole star in the picture. Students, let us learn about planets. What are planets? Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetae, which means wanderers. The earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. Recapitulation of the lesson. Geography is the study of the life on the surface of the earth. The sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the sky are known as celestial bodies. The moon appears different shapes in the sky. While watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellations. The North Star is also called the pole star. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. A star is very large, hot, and is made up of gases.